And when there's money to be made in the addiction business, watch out. And that is what I think this is about. You can get it now. I mean, if you're a libertarian and want to smoke weed on your farm all day on a Sunday, and that's not my concern. My concern is that in every single state that has done this, and now we have the examples, you see how it's been massively commercialized, how, first of all, it's not about social justice at all, because there are not people in prison for low-level marijuana use, and if there were, we would have a massive exiting of prison in California, Colorado, and 35 other states. We haven't had that. Also, in New York, the argument was made that social justice, this can sort of help people harmed by the war on drugs. The people making money are guys that look like me, let's be honest. They're the Wall Street investors. They don't use marijuana, the ones that are making money. The tobacco industry and those that are under 30, and there's a few of you, we used to live in a world where when you went to the restaurant, the first question wasn't, do you have a reservation? The first question was, smoking or non? When you bought an airplane ticket, the first question was smoking or non, and you would get on an airplane, and there would be row 7 to 5 was smoking, and rows 8 to the other ones were non-smoking. And for some reason, you were supposed to be protected there. But that was kind of the logic, because we put profits over public health, which we have a very good sense of doing in this country, about everything. And the idea that this is going to be the one time when we're going to get it right, where the one time, and New Hampshire is going to be the one state, and I've heard it everywhere, where you're going to do it differently. You're going to do it the state model. You're going to do it the social justice model. I've heard that everywhere. And it doesn't turn out that way. So I don't think we should arrest people, throw them in prison. I think we should not give criminal records. We should expunge records. We went overboard at one point in our drug policy history. I'm the first to admit that. But I don't think that's an argument to go, what I would argue is radically on the other side of it.